You'll get to know the 9 tips to get rich from nothing in 2026. This is not a BS guide like other videos, so watch this video till the end. Now let's start. Number 1. Focus on developing your earning potential before diving into investment opportunities. The most common error individuals encounter when beginning from scratch is fixating on investments prior to establishing a solid income stream. Wealth typically does not originate from stocks, real estate, or cryptocurrency. It starts with competencies that generate income. By the next year, the most sought-after skills will likely extend beyond traditional college degrees, focusing instead on high-income capabilities like sales, digital marketing, coding, AI tool management, copywriting, consulting, and specialized freelancing. Individuals who develop skills in selling, negotiating, or lead generation for businesses have the potential to transition from no income to earning 5 figures in a remarkably short period. It is essential to concentrate on developing skills that are already valued by employers, rather than relying on the hope that an investment will generate returns from non-existent funds. The most efficient way to achieve financial growth is to acquire a skill that addresses costly challenges faced by others. Number 2, minimize all unnecessary expenses to maximize your financial efficiency. Achieving wealth from a modest starting point necessitates a disciplined approach to managing expenses during the initial stages. When income is limited, every dollar spent unwisely hinders the journey toward building wealth. Many individuals fail to recognize the significant amount of money that can be lost through various channels such as subscriptions, impulse buys, dining out, delivery services, unnecessary upgrades, and the gradual increase in lifestyle expenses. The goal is not to adopt a lifestyle of permanent extreme frugality, but rather to practice temporary discipline as you work towards building momentum. By cutting unnecessary expenses by $700 from a monthly income of $3,000, that amount can be effectively utilized as initial capital for investment opportunities or entrepreneurial ventures. Wealth accumulation typically starts not with generating substantial income, but by identifying and retaining the funds that were quietly exiting your bank account each month. Subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more financial tips. Number 3, establish diverse income sources as soon as possible. Diversifying your income sources is essential, especially when beginning from scratch, as it mitigates risk and accelerates growth. One of the most effective strategies for building financial momentum is by diversifying your income streams. This approach does not involve managing multiple unrelated side hustles. Rather, it focuses on strategically developing 2 or 3 synergistic income streams. For instance, an individual employed in a standard position could consider engaging in freelance work during evenings, offering digital services online, or establishing a modest consulting practice within their area of expertise. The objective is to enhance overall monthly earnings beyond the standard compensation from a single employer. The simultaneous growth of various income sources can significantly enhance financial advancement, as it increases the available funds for both saving and investing. Number 4, consider your initial $10,000 as a stepping stone for future growth. The initial significant achievement on the path to financial prosperity is attaining that first $10,000. This sum might not appear transformative at first glance, yet its psychological and practical implications are profoundly impactful. This demonstrates your ability to generate and retain wealth. This approach offers the opportunity to begin investing, support a small business venture, or manage unexpected situations without incurring debt. Individuals who successfully build their initial $10,000 typically cultivate the financial practices necessary for greater wealth accumulation. During this phase, it is essential to prioritize both speed and discipline, as aggressively building that initial capital base will open the door to further opportunities. Number 5, make it a habit to invest regularly, regardless of the amount. Numerous individuals postpone their investment decisions, thinking that minor contributions are insignificant. In the early stages, maintaining consistency holds greater significance than the magnitude of your efforts. Contributing $100, $200, or $500 each month might seem minor at first glance. Yet the power of compound growth over the years can transform these modest investments into substantial amounts. Beginning your investment journey as soon as possible and setting up automated contributions is crucial for long-term success. Index funds, retirement accounts, and diversified portfolios serve as effective long-term strategies, enabling wealth to accumulate passively alongside rising income. Establishing a routine of consistent investing fosters a sense of financial discipline that grows over time, much like the money itself. Number 6, leverage time as your most valuable asset. Time is often overlooked as a crucial asset in the wealth-building process. Beginning your financial journey at age 30, even from a position of no assets, provides ample opportunity for compounding returns, skill development, and income growth over the coming decades. The disparity in financial outcomes for individuals who start investing at 30 compared to those who begin at 40 can amount to hundreds of thousands of dollars, primarily driven by the power of compound growth. The passage of time enhances the advantages of skill development and career advancement. Each year dedicated to enhancing your earning potential significantly impacts your overall lifetime wealth. Individuals who grasp this concept cease pursuing immediate gains and begin establishing systems that strengthen progressively over time. Number 7, steer clear of high-interest debt whenever possible. Debt represents a significant barrier that often hinders individuals from accumulating wealth. High-interest obligations, like credit card balances, can quietly deplete your finances, resulting in significant interest payments annually. When beginning from scratch, the foremost objective should be to eliminate harmful debt as swiftly as possible. Each dollar that is no longer tied up in interest payments can be redirected towards savings and investment opportunities. Individuals focused on financial growth recognize the importance of having interests serve their interests rather than hinder them. Eliminating harmful debt promptly establishes a solid financial base, enabling future investments to flourish effectively. Number 8, emphasize the importance of ownership rather than solely concentrating on income. Relying solely on income is seldom sufficient for building lasting wealth. Ownership plays a crucial role. Employees generate income by exchanging their time for wages, whereas owners derive income from assets that consistently create value. These assets may include businesses, digital products, intellectual property, real estate, or investments that provide a steady stream of cash flow. It is possible for an individual starting from scratch to progressively move from being an employee to achieving partial ownership by accumulating small assets over time. For instance, initiating an online service, developing educational content, or establishing a niche business can yield revenue well beyond the initial effort invested. As individuals accumulate ownership, they enhance their financial independence. Number 9, engage with individuals who possess strong financial acumen. The environment significantly influences financial outcomes. Individuals tend to align their habits, expectations, and beliefs with the influences of their surrounding environment. Being in the company of those who frequently overspend can hinder one's ability to accumulate wealth effectively. Conversely, surrounding yourself with financially disciplined individuals fosters more prudent decision-making. Connecting with entrepreneurs, investors, and driven professionals opens doors to fresh opportunities, innovative strategies, and diverse perspectives on financial matters. Watch the video appearing on the right side to know the signs that show you're getting rich without even knowing. Also, subscribe to our channel to help us complete our goal of 11,000 subscribers.